You have come in to discuss performance with your boss. It could be a regular catch up or a scheduled performance discussion. You showcase your performance by using number driven data, displaying client appreciation, and then ask for a promotion. Your boss then says that you are definitely a valuable asset to the team, but just not ready enough for the next level. If this has happened with you, then comment below with a yes. The senior manager looks to promote someone who sees a bigger picture for the team, department, and even the company. They do not look at someone to promote who does just their work alone. However, since most bosses are crunched for time, they do not even tell you what you need to do to be ready for the next level. So, here are 5 most powerful strategic thinking skills that you need to impress your boss today. Whatever I say in this video is highly inspired from this book, that is HBR, Harvard Business Review Guide to Think Strategically. I loved reading this book so much that I thought of creating a video and sharing my knowledge with you. Powerful strategic thinking skill number 1: anticipate. Talk to your customers and see what they like and do not like. Understand their challenges. See what your competitors are up to. Is there any company which is fast growing in your niche? Look at what they are doing. Can a new product be developed to disrupt the market? Assess how your target audience may react to a new product launch. Did you have a high number of customers leaving you recently? Find out if there was a common reason. Network with employees in other departments and even other companies and see what they are doing differently. If there is any potential challenge that your team may face, it could be logistics, revenue, etc. One of the best ways to secure a promotion is to demonstrate skills that are required for the next level. If you are serious about your career and need some help to write your resume with reference to the profile summary, skills, work experience, etc., then I share all of this in the Breakthrough Resume course. This is a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. You can grab this course from the link given in the description box below. Powerful strategic thinking skill number 2 is to challenge. Whenever you encounter a challenge, don't just look for a quick fix. Find out the root cause. This is known as RCA or root cause analysis. Execute CAPA, which is corrective action and preventive action. If there was a breach in quality, then find out the reason for it. Was it due to a poor skilled labor? The first thing that you should be doing is to fix the quality of the product. If that is not possible, then you can discard the defective product. This is the corrective action. The second step would be to ensure that this doesn't happen in future. So you may like to polish your worker skills. You do not have to do the skill polishing yourself. It can be outsourced to a different team. This is the preventive action that you would take. Capture inputs from people who would not be that impacted by your decision. Also, take inputs from naysayers. They will give you a lot of insights to any potential challenge that your team may face. If you want to elevate your professional journey and work with me inside of my career transformation program, then I invite you to fill up a simple application form that is linked in the description box below. This is to see if we're right fit for each other. Once you receive the application, somebody from my team will get in touch with you. Powerful strategic thinking skill number 3 is to interpret. Now, whenever you are reviewing complex data like customer feedback or a sales report and you see abnormalities, then try to find at least 3 possible explanations for it. You can also invite perspectives from other team members and stakeholders. Watch out for trends. Actively look for missing information or evidence that can support these possible explanations. If you are really worked out, take a break, go have coffee, or take a walk. For example, an e-commerce company wants to improve its sales strategy. The relevant data includes website traffic, conversion rates, customer demographics, purchase history, and feedback. Identify patterns such as peak shopping times, popular product categories, and customer preferences. Identify opportunities to target marketing efforts during peak shopping times and also threats from a drop in sales of certain products. Develop strategies such as running weekend promotions, targeting younger demographics with specific marketing campaigns, and discontinuing underperforming products. Develop detailed action plans outlining the steps needed to implement your strategies. If weekend promotions were successful, then try to expand them or consider implementing the similar strategies on other high traffic times. If certain marketing campaigns are not yielding the desired results, then refine the approach or try using different methods. Powerful strategic thinking skill number 4 is to decide. Now, once you have analyzed the root cause, it is time to focus on a solution. Check what other options you have. Weigh the pros and cons. Divide big decisions into smaller pieces. Develop options such as introducing new products in popular categories, phasing out low performing items, or launching seasonal promotions. Assess the feasibility and potential impact of each option. Choose to expand the product line in categories that have shown consistent demand and high customer satisfaction. Select the option that best meets your criteria and aligns with your objectives. Your decisions should be focused at long term and short term. Also, let others know about the status of your decision. Clearly document the decision making process and rationale behind your choice. See if you need approval from higher ups. Determine who needs to be directly involved and chalk out a plan. Take small steps when implementing. Consider pilots or experiments for a short period or small sample before going big. Develop an implementation plan that includes product development, marketing strategies, and inventory management. Ensure you have the necessary resources such as budget, personnel, and technology to execute the plan. Powerful strategic thinking skill number 5 is to align. Communicate about your decisions early. Don't give anybody a chance to say, I was not asked or I was not told. Identify who your key stakeholders are. Understand what their hidden agendas could be. Keep an eye on what matters to them. See if there is any area of misunderstanding and resistance by using a structured conversation. If there are any concerns, then address them. If a new product is successful, then consider additional expansion. If not, then analyze the data to understand why and make possible adjustments. Be prepared to pivot and adapt your strategies according to data and trends. Now that you have explored all the 5 powerful strategic thinking skills, it's time to implement them. After implementing actions, write your lessons learned, document them, and also share your insights with your team. Appreciate people who attempted at doing something laudable but failed when it came to outcomes. Proactively schedule audits to see if everything in your team is running fine. Create a culture where questions are valued and mistakes are considered as learning opportunities. If you are serious about your career and are ready to kickstart your job search process, then grab the Breakthrough Resume course linked in the description box below. Again, it is a recorded training that you can take at your preferred time and pace. So far in this training, you have learned 5 powerful strategic thinking skills that you need to impress your boss today. Now, I understand that navigating through your career could be long and frustrating, which is why I want you to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell because I have a lot of awesome videos lined up for you. If you want to revamp your LinkedIn profile, then watch this playlist next. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in this one next. Bye-bye.